Welcome back to my channel. This is the Great Phone Repairs. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix problem like this. Error, please plug out charger. Problem like this, charger pause, battery temperature too high. So all these problems are caused by similar faults. So I'll be showing you how to fix them. This battery temperature too low, the phone will soon off. And also I'll be showing you how to identify your VBAT, that is the positive terminal of your battery, your GND, that is an abbreviation for ground, your BSI, your B-term on your panel. So for you to understand this video, watch to the end. This is the Great Phone Repairs. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe to this channel. So before solving this problem, you need to know this. For external battery, this is how the configuration is. We have, this is the VBAT, the BSI, and the GND. So VBAT is the positive terminal on the mobile phone, and GND is the negative terminal. It's an abbreviation for ground, that is negative terminal. While BSI means the battery status indicator. So this is for 4-terminal external battery. The difference between the 4-terminal external battery and the 3-terminal is the B-term. The B-term is an abbreviation for battery temperature. So the battery temperature on the battery, you have a component called thermistor that sense temperature. That is a sensor that says temperature. So the BSI is called the battery status indicator. It is used to exchange information about the current, resistance, battery capacity, voltage, etc. from the battery to the logic board. That is the work of the BSI. Its help is like an information giver. So the B-term, that the battery temperature, is a sensing terminal. It helps to control the heating of the battery during charging. So that is what I told you, that there's a component called thermistor on that battery, that B-term. So thermistor is the basic component at the B-term. So first like this signifies that the BSI or the B-term is missing on the logic board, or maybe there's a broken connection. So what you just do is to jumper it directly to the board where is written NTC, or if there's some board doesn't come with such configuration where they'll write the NTC, so you need to track the part where the broken connection is, then jumper it to the nearest component there. So make sure you subscribe and hit on the notification bell, because I'll soon be dropping a video on how to track a broken connection on the motherboard on the panels. After doing all that, if the fault keep popping up, that is to say your thermistor is faulty. So I'll be showing you what thermistor is and how to replace them. So the thermistor is the component that can be responsible for that kind of fault. So if your phone keep popping up like that, telling you temperature too high, you need to replace your thermistor. So a thermistor is a type of resistor whose resistance is strongly dependent on temperature more than a standard resistor. So a standard resistor resists current and voltage, but a thermistor, the difference is that the thermistor regulates the temperature. The resistance is based on temperature. So next we're going to be discussing about how to identify your VBAT, your GND, BSI on your logic board for internal.
So before we continue, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop an interesting video such as this. So let's get back to business.
Battery terminal. This is the battery, and this is the from this polarity here. Here is P minus and here is P plus. That is to say, these two legs here are the P minus, because two of them are short, and this one now here is the P plus. That is, this side the positive and here is the negative. And also we need in battery, we just need like three terminals. That is the BSI, that is the battery status indicator. That BSI now is your that is the place that enable the battery to charge, and we have the positive and the negative. So this is the positive and the negative terminal of the battery, and the positive you can call it VBAT, while the negative is called the GND, that is ground. In some panel, but this panel now is not written here. In some panel you see where they write GND and VBAT, but most time if you can't find your GND is your ground, that is the negative. You can tack it from this side here, or all this silver color. This you can scratch here and get your ground. And from this board now, this is our negative and this is the positive. But from the terminal of the battery, if you watch very well, this guy now is the positive and this is the negative. If you watch very well, once you want to click it, this upside is the positive and this is the negative. So from using your multimeter now, if you want to use your multimeter to check it, that's your so now to check the positive now,
so the thing dey beep. It's beeping. So to check your negative terminal, so the ground, anywhere that ground with all these guys, this guy now is ground. Anywhere that ground with it is the ground. This is the negative. So you can assume that here is your positive. You understand? And this side here is your the BSI. So to know from this terminal now where the BSI is connected is you try putting it here and check if anyone will short. Now you're shorting with this guy that is here, that is this last one that is at the extreme end. And from your battery now, if you look very well, this guy now that is the extreme end is this one that is here. So this is how you get it. If you want to jump it now, assuming you remove this battery terminal, assuming this is the battery now, and you need out this battery terminal from the board, from the battery terminal. Let me hit it out now to show you something. So it's out now. It's out. So now if you want to jump her now, assuming this is it, I'm using another battery to illustrate for you. Assuming this is it now, if you want to jump her now, this BSI now that is here, this BSI that is here, you can easily, because this is the BSI and this is it from the terminal, you can easily jump it from here to that side, to this negative side, or directly to the board. And again, this is your negative terminal. You can see that these two guys are short, they are together, you get. So this up one now, from this polarity here now, this is P plus and this is P minus. That is the upper side is your positive and the below side is your negative. So that is to say this guy here now is your positive and this is negative, and they are shorting. So you can get your positive here and get your negative here, and also this side that is close to this negative, this one that is here, this tiny leg, that is what we call your BSI. That is your battery status indicator, and you can jump it directly to the board, either to this side. Either you remove this clip completely from the board, or you can track where the clip is connected to the board, then you jump it from there. That is it. So for this one now, this is the V-bar. It's connected to this guy, this V-bar. That is the positive terminal, and this positive terminal. Why this one now, the negative terminal, the ground, you can get it here, that is GND. Understand? Why this middle one, that is the BSI, or it's like, or you can call it the NTC. This is it, this one here now, this terminal here. So if this guy is missing, you can jump it directly to this guy, and you can also jump out this directly to this guy. So this is the NTC. So let me show you something. Awesome. So from my explanation, let's set our this thing to this side. That is your diode mode. So after setting it, this is positive. So if you check very well, this V-bar is shorting with this one. As you can see, this red light on. So both of them short. So now you can, this ground, that is the GND, short with this, and you can also short it with this, and also this. So it's everywhere. The GND is everywhere. You can get it here, you can get it here, you can get it here. This is the ground, you understand? And this one now, the middle leg, you can get it at this NTC. So go back so that they'll see the reading on the multimeter. Go back so that they'll see the reading on the multimeter. As you can see, that is the NTC. So you can also call it BSI. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. So till next time, bye bye. Thank you. I remain the great.